Did that amazing outfit you ordered from Zalando turn out to be not so amazing in reality? No problem. Returning items is super easy, and I'm going to show you exactly how. First, log into your Zalando account, go to the Zalando website or open the Zalando app on your phone, and then enter your email address and password to sign in. Once you're logged in, find the returns or my orders section. It's usually located in your account overview. Click on it to view your order history. Locate the specific order that contains the item you want to return, then find the button labeled return item or something similar next to the product you are hoping to send back. Click on that button. A new screen will appear asking you the reason for return. Select the most appropriate option from the provided list. This helps Zalando improve their service. You'll then see a confirmation page. Here's where you'll find important information. Zalando will usually provide you with a prepaid return label that you can download and print, or give you the option of a label-free return using a QR code. Now, repackage the item securely, ideally in the original packaging if you still have it, and attach the printed return label firmly to the outside of the parcel, making sure all other delivery labels are removed. Take the parcel to your nearest designated drop-off point, often a local post office or a specific parcel shop. Hand it over, keeping any receipt you're given as proof of postage. Finally, keep an eye on your email for updates on your return. Once Zalando receives and processes it, you'll receive your refund, usually back to the original payment method. And that's it. Happy shopping and returns!